like receiving gifts, but I mean, like, even just down to, oh, they called me every day, or they checked in on me every day, like little things. Like, I'll give you an example.
And there's guys that did that every day, and you didn't give a shit. So it's not, that's irrelevant, bruv.
Yeah. No, but and then obviously moving forward from that, like their personality type, like they've got to be a boss. They've got to like
drug dealer.
No, I've been
career criminal. Career criminal.
Growing up, listen, I'll be honest with you. I have drug dealer friends because, unfortunately, in my society, that's what a lot of black men that I know have come to, and I'm all, you can ask any of them, I'm the one in their ear telling them, you've got an entrepreneurial mindset, you could do this, you could do that. So I don't stigmatize, I don't think, oh, you're beneath me because you're a drug dealer or whatever, but I always had in my mind I would never get with them because I couldn't bring them home to my mum and they wouldn't accept that. But I feel like the last two people, before the last person I dated, the last two people I dated before that, one worked and did like legitimate things, and drug dealing was a bit, and then the other one just fully drug dealed, and I was trying to help him do more better things, yeah. But I feel like I was
why do you think that all the black men around you was all drug dealers?
Why do I think that?
No, what makes you why do you think that it seems like all these black guys that were around you specifically were all drug dealers?
Yeah, I didn't say that all the black men around me.
Not all, but okay, a substantial enough.
I was saying that I have friends that are drug dealers because there's
you did say society.
Yeah, because unfortunately the society that we are in.
You said your society.
You said your society.
Yeah, I meant black because I'm black. So yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think most black guys are drug dealers though.
I didn't say most. I said it draws a lot of black boys into that.
Yeah, but we're talking about your life. You said in your society, most of your black male friends, or a lot of your black male friends are drug dealers.
I said a lot of black males, and you can
in your that you interact with, that you're your friends.
Drug dealer friends. I said, I have a lot of friends that are drug dealers. Unfortunately,
in your society.
Unfortunately, in my society, a lot of black boys are drawn into that lifestyle.
That's not what you said.
That's not what you said.
That's not exactly how I said it, but that's what I said. And regardless, is that the case or not?
No, but the point I'm trying to get at is, why is that your reality? Yeah. That's the point.
What, that a lot of
why are they the people you choose to be?
Yes, God bless you, Kate.
Why do
yes.
okay, the question that you're asking then.
She gets
the question that you're asking is, why do I have black friends?
Yeah, why so many of your black male friends are drug dealers?
Because, all right, let me break it down to you. I am such an empath, yeah, and I've always thought like wasted talent. I don't like the fact that certain men think that that's all that they can do, and that society pushes those kind of men into that role, and that's what they live, and it gets recycled. Even down to what you were talking about the other day, the media, other black people.
What's that got to do with it?
I will always put myself in the front and tell people they can change, they can be better. Like I always go, and my mum and that. That's why they wanted me to do criminology and all this stuff, because they're like, you can't just be doing that.
You're not answering the question, blood.
Yeah, why do I have friends like that? That's why.
That's not why.
Oh, hold on. It's what you attract.
Yes. That's what Kate. Kate is smashing it, bruv. Why are you around these guys and then you're like, oh, I can't date him. Why are you even around them?
What, when I'm younger? When I was younger?
It don't matter what age. Why are you around them, bruv? That's what I'm asking you.
That's who I wanted to be around.
Exactly. That's what you wanted to be around. Yes, bruv.
Yes, so what's the point?
My point is, you are the architect of your... Listen, bro. You are the architect of your own misfortune. Didn't I say that to you earlier today, bruv?
Where's my misfortune from there? What was
because you was big. The misfortune is because you was around a pool of guys that you knew were undateable, bruv. That's what the misfortune was.
I wasn't dating them, no, but
I never said you was dating them.
They're the last two.
I never said you was dating them.
What's my misfortune? Oh, you're saying that I didn't date the right person because I was around these people.
Yes, because you just said that's who you wanted to be around. Mm-hmm. That's the point.
Okay.
That's the point I was getting. Kate gets what I'm saying, blood.
Yeah, I'm actually with you on this one.
Like you, that was on you. This is the thing I talk about in my videos all the time. You choose to be around certain types of guys and certain other types of guys. You don't even want to be friends with them, bruv. Because they're not cool enough, bruv. Because really and truly, you was around them drug dealer boys because they were cool. And it was cool being around them, bruv. That's what it was.
So that was literally like my mindset. When I was like 16, I did date this boy and he was drug dealer, But as soon as I was like, I don't know, 18, 19, 20, that just did not appeal to me. And from then on, I don't think, like, I can't say any of my friends have done that, or guys that I've been friends with done that.
I feel you, but this is the thing. Most girls in our community, well, in the black community anyway, yeah, or even just, let's say, urban community, yeah, so like white girls that like black guys and date black, all of that, yeah. In that stage when you look are like, I just want to be around these black boys that are cool because they sell drugs and they're popular and they got street fame and they got fast money and yeah. And then the next thing, you end up becoming a single mother.
Yeah.
That's what usually happens.
Yeah, but I am the anomaly in that situation. That's not.
You was
the reason
lucky.
You don't listen. I literally,
Don't get angry.
Absolutely. No, okay, let me just,
emotions.
Take it down a notch. Yeah. But my point is that I just want to see our community do well.
Then all you girls should focus on the black guys that are doing the right thing.
And ask me who I'm around now.
I don't know who you're around, fam.
Black men that do very well, that don't do that.
Okay, so you've excommunicated. So you've excommunicated from all your hoodlum friends.
No, I haven't. I haven't, because I want the ones that have no hope. They don't see me. I'm inaccessible. The ones that have no hope, the ones that don't know, I'm inaccessible.
Since this year.
Yeah,
since lockdown.
What, 2021? I'd say it is variable for each independent case.
Is variable or variable?
Yeah, for each independent case, innit? Like,
blood, you're the.
From my
a
team,
lot of these girls. Listen to everyone watching, to everyone
minutes.
watching. These girls, not these girls in particular, but a lot of girls are the architects of their own misfortune, bruv.
Yeah, I agree
that's
with that.
it. That's the truth. That's why when these girls come out, that's why when these women come out and say, "Oh, where's all the good men, bruv?" First of all, you didn't want to be around good. Listen. I'm not saying you. Why are you getting? You see, you're getting emotional. I never said you.
Not these women here. He did say that.
You see?
Just a quick one, yeah.
No, I ain't finished what I was saying. No, I haven't finished what I was saying. Yeah. A lot of these girls, they come out and say they're looking for a good man. And good, where's the good man gone? Blah, 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 blah. First of all, you didn't want to be around the good guys because the good guys were boring, lame, whatever. You get me? And then now, later on in life, you saying, where's the good man at? The good men are living their lives, bruv. And they shouldn't really get with you, blood. That's the truth. Like, that's the cold truth about it. They shouldn't really get with you because you didn't want them when they was coming up. So why should they get you after you've messed around with whoever you messed around with, blood?